Are you tired of flat product images that don't pop and you want to elevate your brand with stunning 3D mockups but don't have the time and budget for complex design software? Well, creating professional 3D product mockup can be a daunting task, often requiring expensive software and advanced design skill. But what if I told you there is a free online tool that can help you create stunning 3D mockups in minutes? That's right, FreePix offers a simple tool to bring your products to life. Hey everyone, it's me again and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the world of 3D product mockups. We'll be using a free online tool from FreePix to create stunning visuals for your products. Let's get started. Now head over to freepix.com/mockup-editor to open the free online tool. Now, at the moment of this recording, the FreePix is on the beta version and it's not currently available on your mobile, so you can only access it using your Chrome browser or any browser from your laptop or desktop computer. Now we are presented with a mockup library, or you can either scroll down to select from a handful of free and premium products, or you can search using the search mockup text inputs to search for a particular product you may want to apply a mockup on. I'll be using laptop as a case study. Now typing laptop, I have different results of different product mockup that may suit my needs. I'll select a random mockup, clicking on edit. I already have one that I have edited before, that's why it's still showing this image. To replace this image, you can either click on the screen directly or use this toggle button to add images to the screen, add images to the background, or reset the entire product that I can start from scratch or start anew. Now let's do that once more. Click on the screen and you're given a pop-up dialog where you'll be able to select and upload images. Now click on the image to give me access to my file manager, and I'll scroll over to where I'll see the image I want to add to the product. Now let's use a random image. So I can further adjust the opacity, adjust the position, either fit or fill as provided. I can then change the background using the color picker to toggle. And if I'm satisfied with the design, I'll just head down and click download and select the file format, either JPEG or PNG. Now it has been downloaded, and let's have a preview. Good and fine. There are other products. So at this time, let me search for wristwatch. Some products have more customization than others. Of course, I've already done wristwatch product mockup. That's why you are seeing I still have my previously uploaded image on it. You can do the same thing to change the image by resetting on the design. Select the screen, add a new image, change the color of the frame, change the color of the wristwatch. I can as well change the background. A similar feature can be added on all the various mockup that is available on FreePix. When you are done, click on download, select the file format, click the download button. And let's preview. And let's go back again once more, mockup, and this time we'll be doing editing on hoodies. Now why I'm showing you these various mockup is to give you an idea that you can edit any product mockup of your choice that is currently available on this free online tool. So just like in various other mockup, you can adjust the front, the kangaroo, the left sleeve, the right sleeve, the hoodie, and also the background. Let's do a little customization. Click and add an image for the front view. Add an image to the kangaroo view. And of course, you can change the color of the hoodie using the color picker. Once we are satisfied, click on download as usual. Select the file format and click on download. Now let's have a preview of the main hoodie. It's cool. Now I want you to pay attention to these simple tips and tricks that will guide you while creating 3D mockup. One is to choose the right mockup template. You need to select a template that aligns with your product and brand style. Avoid overcomplicating your design with too many elements. Use high-resolution product images for the best results. And finally, try various lighting angles, background, and color scheme to find the perfect look. In this video, we've learned how to create stunning 3D product mockups using the free online tool from FreePix. It's a simple and effective way to elevate your brand and product presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design tips and tricks. Don't forget to share your 3D mockup in the comments below and let's connect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.